Good afternoon mga Kai-Pro. Another delayed announcement. Medyo na-busy tayo this morning. So, ano ba yung pagka-busy natin? So, tara, check muna po natin. So, ayan po, we are currently upgrading our solar batteries. Okay? Medyo lalakihan po namin yung capacity niya and papagandahin namin kasi alam niyo naman, technology changes and upgrades. Kaya ito, medyo na-busy tayo. Wala pa po yung mga nag-aayos. They are taking a break. Pero for now, supervising muna tayo. So yun. So ano pa ba? I would like to welcome lahat ng mga new members sa Telegram, sa Facebook, and sa YouTube. Okay, welcome po. Magkakaroon po tayo ng market analysis mamayang gabi around 8-ish p.m. Philippine time. Okay, and eto pa pala. Daylight savings na po tayo. So make sure you adjust your trading calendars, okay? Na po si America ulit, nag-forward ng 1 hour, okay? So nawalan sila ng 1 hour. Kaya make sure nakaset po yung mga charts nyo ng kung kayo ay doing New York time, so that is gonna be UTC -5. Dating -5 ngayon -4 na, or UTC or GMT -4. Okay, -4 tayo for New York time. So yun, si Coach Renzo on the way na rito. We're gonna be fixing up kung ano yung ibabato naming trading bootcamp this end of March sa Dau, Pampanga. More details on that mamayang gabi or gagawa kami ng official announcement regarding it. Alright? So yan muna ladies and gentlemen. Kita-kits na lang tayo doon sa community. Okay?